Yes, good day everyone. We are back again in this edition. Today we'll be looking at a very simple but complex question that is often common in WAEC and JAM exams. Now we are looking at this particular question under this topic measurement of temperature. We'll be considering this question. A platinum resistance thermometer measures its resistance of 3 ohms at 0 degrees Celsius, 4.5 ohms at 100 degrees Celsius. Calculate the temperature when the resistance is 3.5 ohms. Now, if you understand this question from my previous video, you will discover that this is a question that is applicable comparing between two scales of temperature or two thermometer. Now, first of all, don't forget that platinum resistance is also a thermometer. So, and the unit of it is in ohms. And we also know that another kind of scale in temperature is Celsius scale, which is also the unit is Celsius, degrees Celsius. Now, which therefore means we are comparing both questions or both the ohms and the degrees Celsius together. We're comparing these two questions or these two units together. So like we always do, we compare the both questions. Let's take this for the ohms. Then we are comparing again this for the Celsius scale. And don't forget that you were told that from the question that the platinum resistors thermometer measured a resistance of 3 ohms at 0 degree. That means at 0 degree it was 3 ohms. Okay, at 0 degrees Celsius it was 3 ohms. Then at 100 degree it was 4.5 ohms. 4.5. It was 4.5 ohms. So meaning that when the upper fixed point of a platinum resistor regarding to this question is 4.5, while the lower fixed point is what, 3 ohms. So we are asked to calculate what it will be in Celsius scale when it is 3.5 ohms. So this is how, or this is what they are asking us to calculate, what it will be in Celsius scale when it is 3.5 ohms in the platinum resistant thermometer. So as we always do, it's going to be the fundamental interval minus the lower fixed point over the upper fixed point minus the lower fixed point. So it's going to be 3.5 minus 3 ohms over 4.5 minus 3, which is, if you are comparing, since we are comparing between the resistors, the resistor and the Celsius scale, it's going to be C minus 0 over 100 minus 0. If we work with this, we are going to have 0.5, that is 3.5 minus 3 will give you 0.5 over 4.5 minus 3 will give you 1.5. Is equals to C over 100, because C minus 0 is C and 100 minus 0 is 100. So in cross multiply here, we're going to have C times 1.5 is equals to 100 times 0.5. So, and this becomes 50, and this becomes C times 1.5. So we have our record and we have our value in this manner. Then we divide both sides by 1.5. Divide both sides by 1.5. So C will simply give us 33.3 degrees Celsius. So the value for 3.5 ohms in the platinum scale, the value for it in the Celsius scale will be 33.3 degrees Celsius. Hope you understand what we did and how it is being done. So this is the end of this video. Please don't forget, always subscribe to get new notification on questions regarding chemistry and physics that are very, very important in WAEC. Don't forget, subscribe. Thank you and God bless.